The same effects panel, we'll go for lightning. For that you need to select a 2 node at least, any 2 nodes. Apply the light, so you'll get the effect in between these two. So mostly I'm not encouraging you to use the boxes. Instead of that, you can go for a create locators and duplicate another locator. Example, select these two, go to the FX and lightning. These locators are not renderable. Same way, when you animate this to over here, you can see the lighting is moving. This material will be here by default. This is the color of the material. An attribute editor, you can see a glow. You can disconnect the glow, break connection. Okay, over here it's called a special effects of the material. Okay, let me render first. Why we need to disconnect the glow? Go for a software render and click on the rendering. You see that the glow is too much. Break connection, 0.1 glow and render. Now I can see only the small glow, 0.01. Okay, I feel it's fine. Suppose if you want to change the color, go to the color attributes. You can see the input is connected. Right click, break connection, change the color. The same way to the incandescence. Now take a render. See. So when you change the color white, black and increase the special effects glow, make it 0.2. Then you can go for a sequence render. Now you feel that sequence render animation. So this is a simple lightning. The next one over here is, okay, Shatter have 3 types. One is crack and then solid shatter. Solid shatter and crack shatter. It's very simple to understand. When you delete the off, what happened here? It is a hollow over here. So select the mesh, and when you go for a solid shatter, number is 5. Make sure that when you click, it won't apply. The condition is first you have to edit, delete by type, history, delete the history, then apply. Then you can get the crack. When you get the, you can see the crack and also you can see the original. So move the original away, you can see the cracks over here. So move the crack, you won't see any hollow space. It is a solid. So this is called solid cracker. You may see that we have a pieces, number of pieces 5. So it is the average, it's taking a 5 pieces. So number of pieces more, you would get a more space. So more cracks. Here select everything and effects, apply the filter, apply the gravity, go for the bottom, play. So this one is a passive collider and play. Okay, now you play reversely because it's a simulation. You won't get the same simulation in a reverse manner. So that is the reason that we have the solvers. Catch, in catch, create a new in object. We can create the catch for the, it means that the solver can able to store the catch. Now, same FX point, go to the crack shatter. I go for a new file. So it is like a crack, like an egg. For this, the approaches, you have to select one vertices, select one vertex and select the crack and number of cracks and just create. Wait for some moment to crack this, and also after this cracking, the original sphere also will be sustained, also the duplicate, it means the cracked one also sustained. the condition before you applying the gravity is